Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Asha Edu Class. Today we are going to write a welcome speech on New Year for school assembly. Good morning respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am honored to stand before you today as we welcome a brand new year 2025. On behalf of the entire student body, I wish each of you a very happy and prosperous new year. May this year bring with it new hopes, new opportunities, and a fresh start for all of us. As we leave behind 2024, let's take a moment to reflect on the lessons we've learned, the challenges we've overcome, and the memories we've created. Every experience from the past year has shaped us and made us stronger. But now, it's time to turn the page and embrace the endless possibilities that this new year offers. In 2025, let us continue to strive for excellence in everything we do. Let us set new goals, work hard to achieve them, and remember that success comes from dedication, perseverance, and a positive attitude. Whether it's in academics, sports, or extracurricular activities, let this year be a year of growth, not only for us individually but for our school community as a whole. Let's also remember to support one another. A new year is not just about personal achievements, but about lifting up those around us. Let's work together, be kind, and spread positivity, making our school an even better place to learn, grow, and thrive. In 2025, let's aim high, dream big, and make this year our best yet. I am sure that with the guidance of our teachers, the support of our friends, and the determination within ourselves, we can achieve anything. Once again, a very happy new year to every one of you. Let's make 2025 a year to remember. Thank you. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Keep learning, keep growing,